Welcome back to the channel, folks. People ask how you use the cruise control on this motorcycle. And they complain that the bike doesn't come with a cruise control. But here I can demonstrate you guys how you can use the cruise control on this motorcycle. Very simple. This is how you use the cruise control on this motorcycle, and it keeps going, you know, it just doesn't stop. Very simple. It's just gonna keep going. Freeway, street, doesn't matter, any speed. So how you do that? Simple. This is how I use cruise control on my motorcycle. It's a Suzuki GSXS 1000 with a cruise control. All you gotta do is add that little device, the golden magic device right there. And you can do the same. See, it's very simple. You just open up the throttle and then set it down where you want it to be, and it holds it. And if you need to cut it, you just cut it forward. It's that simple, and then you take over. Everybody complaining about, oh, the GSXS doesn't come with a cruise control. Why? Why Suzuki? Well, it's not that big of a deal. You got options. Just like I've added that, now I have cruise control, so it doesn't bother me. It always keeps my speed, it doesn't give me problems, and I can add speed if I want to, whether it's on the freeway or on the streets. Either way.